morning, children. Actually, we are in the unit of personality development. Personality development means, already I said to you that how to behave with others in the society. We want to learn moral values. We want to be helpful to others, and we want to be useful to others. At the same time, we also want to use them in a particular manner, not in negative manner. Positive manner, we want to move in the society. For that, we should need some of the behavior that we want to learn. First lesson we saw how to overcome the disability. Means actually there is not the disability, the way of thinking, attitude. Means the way of thinking, how we will think, like that our life should be. That Nick he proved in that lesson. Now we are going to read about some of the successful people. Generally, the people will feel that success will come easily or by luck it will come. Most of the time we also will feel if our neighbor he got the job, simply we will say that he had the luck and he got the job. But we never think that for that job how much effort he kept for that. We never think. 99% of hard work, if we do, then only that 1% it is a luck, it will add to us. But we always never want to think that 99% of luck, 1% of hard work. That time we will fail. So here, most of the successful people are there. We will think and we will say only simply that they have the luck, I didn't have the luck. It's a common and quiet dialogue to us to escape from our mistakes. So we should be hard workers and we want to be work hard for our goal. That is the good thing. Here one person is there. He started his journey at the age of 21 years. He reached his goal at the age of 52 years. 31 years he worked hard. 31 years, most of the time he is a failure. But any time he never felt any bad. Even some of the time you people, when you get less mark in the unit test, for that you will feel depression. Most of the people we are reading in the newspaper that they failed in intermediate, they failed in 10th class, they not wrote exam well, so they committed suicide. The reason behind of that, there is no particular and proper training for the children. Means their mentality, means their attitude is not in a proper way. So here, this person at the age of 21 he started business, but he failed. And at the age of 22 he tried to participate in the elections, legislative elections. I think it is how we will conduct assembly elections here in America. There are legislative elections. In that he failed. Again he went for the business at the age of 22. Failed. And he lost his sweetheart, his wife, at the age of 26. Means she died. He went into the depression at the age of 27. Again, he went for the congregational race at the age of 34. After 7 years, after coming out of the depression after 7 years, he not lost. Oh, my life completed now. He never thought. And he went for the again congregational race at the age of 34. Again he lost there. He not won there, but he never leave his effort. After that, again he went for the senatorial race at the age of 45. Senatorial, congregational. Senatorial, congregational, they are in our parliament. Two are there. One is the Rajya Sabha, second one is the Lok Sabha. In the same way, in America, senatorial, congregational meetings or the means two races are there. So here he went for the senatorial race again at the age of 45, again defeated. And he got one of the choice to become the vice president of America at the age of 47. But that opportunity also it lost because he defeated that. Finally, he became, and after that president Again he went to congregational race at the age of senatorial race at the age of 49. He attempted that. He attended that. But again he defeated. But finally at the age of 52, he became the President of United States of America. Can we say that he is a failure? Because these many times he failed. Nearly 31 years is a failure person. Shall we say that he is a failure? No, he is not a failure. He is a successful person. See, one of the great men, he said that if you increase your failure rate, your success will come easily. Means voluntarily you don't fail. Even if you fail, but we want to learn from that failure. That is important. So he is none other than the president. Once upon a time, he was the president for the United States of America, and he is a great person. He fought in the favor of black people in America. He brought so many rules in the favor of black people in America. He is none other than Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is a great personality and is a role model for so many of the leaders also. That's a great person. He struggled for 31 years, but he never felt that I failed. He never went for the depression. He never committed suicide. But here we are reading in the newspaper for simple reasons. Same way, if we go for another person in the year of 1930, his name Lee Forrest. See, now you are watching the videos in your mobile. You are enjoying the programs in your TV. We are able to watch them because of one reason. There are tubes, cryotubes are there. These cryotubes are most and important for us to make this all electronic gadgets which we are watching. But if the cryotube not there, then it is impossible to enjoy the TV programs, laptops, all these other things. He is the inventor of them, Lee Forrest, in 1913. Actually, in 1913, he was humiliated, publicly humiliated. The reason behind that, some of the people, they claimed against him, they gave one of the complaint against him that he is misleading. He misleaded the people of Italy against the government. Means he gave some of the speeches against the government in Italy, because the reason behind of that, he want to sell his factory, actually his company's products into the public. For that, he misled the public. That was the claim against him. That was the complaint against him. Because of that, the government, the district attorney, it punished him, it humiliated him publicly. But he not disappointed. If he not invented the cryotubes, it's too difficult to us to watch the TV. Because TV is now the heart in this lockdown period. If it is not there, we will get more bored now. Now already we are getting the bored by sitting in the houses. If the TV also won't be there, it's too difficult to us. But we want to thanks to him because he invented that. Now we are watching the TV, right? Now we will go for another person. His name is actually December 10th. It is December 10th, 1903. See, now in the world, we can travel within hours from India to America. We can travel within hours one end to another end. But if you take a few of the years back, it is very difficult. They used to travel some months in the ship. See, first by on foot they travel, after that the ships, after now we are traveling the aeroplanes. See, year 1903, December 10, Times editorial, means Times magazine. In that one article it is there. In that article, two brothers are blamed. What the Times editorial it published in that article? Two brothers. The two brothers are Wright brothers. The Wright brothers the article. Within weeks, Kitty Hawk is the place. There, these two Wright brothers, they showed to the world that we can fly. One of the heavier thing than the air can fly into the air. We will prove that. They proved it. Because of their invention, now we are traveling one end to another end easily within orbits. That's the great thing, these Wright brothers. If they feel they insulted us, the article came about us, if they feel where that aeroplane now, where we can save our time, it's too difficult. As a person is there, there is some of the people, they have the habit that they will see the newspaper for two things. One is the cinema news, second one is the cartoons. Most of the cartoons we will watch. Here one cartoonist is there. He made images, he prepared so many, he draws so many cartoons and he sent it to the editors. But all editors, they returned them to him. They said to him that you have no talent. See, without talent you can't send any cartoon to us. That was the actually the report from the editors. One of the day, one of the minister of a church, he engaged this cartoonist as a painter to his church. He painted some of the pictures. While working, he saw one of the little mouse. That mouse, it attracted him very much. Then, there too, it started the Mickey Mouse, the world famous cartoon show it is. And he made one of the studio for himself, that is Disneyland. Now it is a world famous place. Most of the tourists, they are visiting that place. If the Disney, he felt that no one are encouraging me, I am the failure, then where we can see that Disneyland. Sorry. So this is great. And some more people are there. And if we go, another person, 4 years, one boy, 4 years boy, he went to the school and he came back from the school. A letter is there in his pocket. Teacher wrote the letter, and what the teacher said, that we will see in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.